In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Microsoft Loop, a powerful and flexible collaboration tool that helps teams work seamlessly across apps and devices in real time. Think of it as a combination of Notion, Google Docs, and Microsoft Teams, all rolled into one intuitive workspace. If you're looking to streamline your team's workflow and enhance efficiency, you're in the right place. To begin your journey with Microsoft Loop, navigate to loop.microsoft.com. This is the main hub where all the action takes place. You'll need to sign in using your Microsoft 365 work or school account. This ensures you have access to all the collaborative features Loop has to offer. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is create a new workspace. You'll find this option clearly marked as plus new workspace. Go ahead and click on it. It's here that you have the opportunity to customize and organize your workspace, so choose a name that accurately reflects the purpose of the project or team, such as Marketing Q3, Team Roadmap, or maybe Client Onboarding. After naming your workspace, simply click Create to bring it to life. Now that your workspace is ready, you can start adding content by creating a new document. Simply click on plus new page within your workspace. Again, think about a name that is informative and descriptive, like meeting notes, task lists, or brainstorm. A well-named page will help you and your team easily locate and identify its content. For those who love adding dynamic components, Microsoft Loop has you covered. By using the /iOut command within your pages, you can add various elements like tables, task lists, progress trackers, dates, and even mention a teammate to draw their attention to specific sections. These components help keep your documents interactive and visually appealing. Once your workspace and pages are set up, it's time to start collaborating. Share your workspace or individual pages with your team members. The beauty of Microsoft Loop is that it allows everyone to comment, edit, and add new content simultaneously, promoting real-time interaction and feedback. Utilize the App Mentions feature to assign specific tasks or leave targeted notes for team members. This is a great way to ensure accountability and clarity in task delegation. Moreover, Loop's components are versatile. Feel free to copy and paste them into other Microsoft platforms like Teams chats, Outlook emails, or even Microsoft Word for the web, maximizing the utility of your content across different environments. To keep your workspace organized, consider pinning important pages to the top. This ensures quick access to frequently used documents. Additionally, for tasks or meetings that occur regularly, create templates. Templates are perfect for repetitive activities like weekly meetings or project kickoffs, saving you time and maintaining consistency in your workflow. That's the essence of getting started with Microsoft Loop. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a collaborative and efficient workspace for you and your team.